Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Watch Me Dance by Dua Lipa. This is about a beginner level choreography, so if you're a beginner, enjoy. Any of the steps that you see in this choreography or in this tutorial, I probably have on my tap step tutorial playlist. So any step that you have an issue with or you need to learn, go and find that in my description box below. It's my tap step tutorial playlist. Find the step, learn it, and then come back here, okay? I also posted a short earlier this week where I did the dance with music. So if you would like to do this dance with music once you've learned it in this video, you can also find the link to that video in my description box below. Okay, so enjoy. So we're going to start with 4 drawbacks. Starting on the right foot, they're nice and slow. Everything in this dance is nice and slow because it's beginner level. So 4 drawbacks, starting on your right foot, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to do a step that's very similar in sound to a drawback. You're going to go stomp, spank, and then tip on the floor behind your stomp. Okay, this step doesn't actually have a name. It's just a stomp, a spank, and a tip or a toe. So right after we finish with our drawbacks, you're going to stomp, spank, tip. So right when you stomp down, make sure that you pop that toe up to get it ready to spank. You're going to do that 3 more times, left, right, and left. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you're going to go into a cramp roll, 2 of them on your right foot. You're going to go 1 and 2. And then there's going to be a slight pause here, and then she says in the song, watch me. And on watch me, you're going to go step, step, in place. And it's going to go right, left. Okay? I do it as a step, step. I guess you could do it as a stomp, stomp if you want. I like it as a step, step because it keeps it nice and light. You're going to then go into 3 single time steps, starting on that right foot. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then here's a weird transition time step. So it's almost like a time step, but it's just the beginning of it, a stomp, hop, and then a step over. It's a good transition. We usually do 3 and a break and tap. So you do your 3 single time steps, and then a break here, the stomp, hop, step. Okay? Okay, so let's start from the top with those drawbacks. We have 4 of them. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stomp, spank, tip. 4 of them. 3 and 4. 2 cramp rolls, right foot. Good. Slight hold, and then you have on watch me, step, step. Time, step. 3, 2, 3, stomp, hop, step. Okay, nicely done. So right after that break, the stomp, hop, step. There's another slight pause and then another watch me. She says watch me. You're going to go step, step again. This time, instead of going into time steps, you're going to go into 4 paradiddles. Starting on your right foot, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Here, we just finished weight on our left foot. Here's where you're going to start a crawl. On your right foot, she says, lately I've been. So each step goes with the lyrics. You're going to go step, heel, toe, heel on your right. It'll go step, heel, toe, heel. And when you hit that last heel, you should make sure that your foot is nice and straight on your right foot so that you can put your weight onto it. Okay? So she goes again, lately I've been. Okay. Here's where we go into some Irishes. You have 3 of them starting on your left foot. It's going to be a slow shuffle, a nice open shuffle instead of a quick closed shuffle. So left foot's going to go 1, 2, 1 more on the left, and then 3 and a break again. Our break is going to be a shuffle ball change on the right. Good. Okay, So let's make our way through this whole section of the dance. So we start with those drawbacks. Starting on your right foot, you have 4 of them. Stomp, swing, tip, 4 of them. Cramp roll for 2. Slight pause, then on watch me. Step, step, time, step for 3. Stomp, hop, step. Again, watch me, paradiddle. 2, 3. Last one here. Crawl, lately I've been Irish. Good, 2. Last one. And shuffle, ball change. Good. From here, right after this shuffle, ball change, you're going to go back into where we started at the top with those drawbacks. Starting on your right foot, 4 drawbacks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Going into the stomp, swing, tips. 1 for 4. 2, 3, 4. 2 cramp rolls again. Right foot. And then to finish it off, a final on the watch me, step, step. Okay, and that is the whole thing right there. So let me walk it through again with me saying the names of the steps, and then I'll walk it through one more time up to tempo without me saying giving any instructions or directions. Okay, so let's give it a try here. Starting from the top on the drawbacks. 4 of them. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, swing, tip for 4. Cramp roll for 2. Watch me. Time step for 3. And the break. Watch me. Paradiddle for 4. Now the crawl. Lately I've Irish for 3. Shuffle, ball change. Draw back for 4. Very good. Stomp, swing, tip for 4. Cramp roll for 2. Final watch me. Step, step. Very nice. Good. Okay, let's try it. Up to tempo. I'm not going to talk us through the instructions at all. We're just going to run it through like we're doing it with music. All right. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. All right, nicely done. So this is a little bit of a trickier beginner combo choreography because we kind of work with the lyrics a bit, and we have some pauses in there where we have to have a weird rhythm to work with the pauses in the dance or in the song. So it's a little bit of a harder beginner. It's not absolute beginner, but it is a very beginner dance. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And if you have any song suggestions or step suggestions that you would like me to do a tutorial for or do a choreography to, let me know down in the comments below. And just, look through my description box and see all the different playlists that you can look through. I have a lot of tap step tutorials, time step tutorials. I have Shim Sham on there. I'm hoping to get the BS chorus put together. And so If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, but there's a ton of information in my description box. Again, if you want to do this dance with music, you can find the link to that short that I posted earlier this week in the description box below as well. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.